Okay, so this is what I'm around. This is nearby. Matter of fact, it's right across the street. And this is a major highway for logging, I believe. And then this is the house or the property I'm on right here. It stretches out to the beyond the tree line. Oh, hey folks, just wanted to show you what I've been working on here in Maine with my buddy, guy's place I'm staying at. So let me show you what we're doing. And here's one of my projects that I was doing. Well, doing or done since I've been here. That's gonna go back on. It goes in between those two holes. There was a piece right down here that I'd cut off. But so I put all that stuff together, sheet metaled it in, and glued part of it in where it was at the frame. So now all I gotta do is get a piece of 14 gauge steel, come from the guardrail or the rub rail down all the way across, and put a hinge on and a latch. And that's one of the other projects. I can expand that hole and put a different unit in, which is what I'm gonna do. I've also been working on this, trying to get it working. So there's a little rod that goes in here for the clutch, and for some reason or other right now it's too short, so I've ordered another one, a bit longer, hopefully. Should be in tomorrow, because that's what activates my clutch. The reverse gear we think is gone, so I've ordered another one. This is the window that came out of there. This is my mess, along with that one. Alright, so we are putting up these uprights, I don't know what you'd call them, and then we're gonna run, I guess, 2x12s or whatever from there to there, and they're gonna put a roof on it. And then down here they're gonna level this out, and they're gonna put pea gravel, or pea marble, or whatever you want to call it, pea gravel in there, Then about right there, they're going to build a door from the garage. This is one of the coolest houses I've seen, the layout. Garage right here, and it goes the length of the house, and then there's another garage door at the other end. And that's the guy I'm doing it for right there. That's Dan. And so we're working on this thing, and this is what we put up today. Anyhow, I'll film some more tomorrow and show you how it's looking. All right, so this garage runs the full length of the house. You can probably do 4-5 cars in here. I just thought it was cool as hell. And then it's got these rafters. I'm not sure if he's going to build any more rafters. But this is the video I was showing you earlier of they're building that patio covering right over here. And then they're going to have a door going to the outside. It's going to be somewhere in this neighborhood right here. But he's getting ready to get this cleaned up, and it's going to be looking a whole lot better, a whole lot cleaner, and a lot more room. But I just thought you guys might enjoy this. I do. The length of the garage is incredible. You could have a great shop in here. Anyhow, that's it. And so I helped put these up right here. And then Dan, the owner of the house, he put these, and his partner or friend, don't want to get that confused, put these up Friday, I think it was. And then he's coming back today to finish up the last 2 or 3. And possibly put the metal roof on. And since this is Maine and part of the New England area, I found finding these in their buried treasures department, I guess, all along in here, finding these things here. I still haven't found the one that allows the 2 rollers to ride across a door. This is for a barn door, rolling barn door. So I want to find the one that those roll on before I leave. I'm probably going to pressure wash these today. I just figured I'd show you where I'm at. This is Albany Township, Maine. Very, very, very small town. Anyhow, I appreciate you watching. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care and be safe.